All right, well, I am cleaning glass this afternoon. I mentioned it on the other video when I was glazing about cleaning the glass, letting it soak. I figured I'd give a short little walk through. This is kind of my little clean off station, but we'll start in the very beginning. I do the steamer. You can see my beautiful masterpiece of a steam cabinet. Ugh. I'll steam it to get the putty loose and to get the glass out. And then I will put the glass in this big tote. You can use a 5-gallon bucket. This is just what I had at the shop. So soapy water, it's been in there for a good week. It was full of glass. It comes off really easy the longer you let it soak. So I'll get a handful of the glass, same size for organizational purposes. And then I'll have my stack there. And I like to use this little scrubby guy. I stole it from my wife. She didn't like it for the dishes. So there's a little push button. And there's a little reservoir for soap. I've been using this soap. You can use whatever. It's fine. Don't worry about the soap. And there's our one piece. And what I could do is use this guy one-handed. And I'll scrub it down. It's a soft bristle, so you won't scratch the glass. You don't have to be crazy and aggressive. It knocks off a lot of the loose debris or the old putty. It's just soapy water from the tub that the glass is soaking in. You can go this route, side to side. Get the edges, that's where most of your gunk is going to be. And then you can use metal blades. These plastic ones are great too. You're less prone to scratching the glass. Total bonus. And you're knocking off loose debris. So I would prefer using this technique over metal. Because if it gets a nick, it's not going to bend or chip and start scratching. It's going to remove the plastic. You know, there's this technique. Something's really stubborn. Keep a good sharp one on hand. The soap really helps in acting as a lubrication. It's just like shaving. Shaving dry is no bueno. So, get both sides. You can scrub first. You can use the razor blade first. Whatever floats your boat. See, there's a little stubborn guy right there, a little piece of paint. Easy. For all of those who have taken glass out of a frame and try to get the paint and the putty off, well, it's really hard. You guys know exactly what that feels like. Not very pleasant. And that's about it. Scrub, 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 scrub. It takes a while when you're doing a video, especially when you're doing this one-handed. Take your frame and your handy dandy dish rack that you got from wherever. Get your hose, spray it down. I am lucky to have this floor with the drainage. If you're not so fortunate, you can use your sink or a 5-gallon bucket. Not a 5-gallon bucket. You know, Rubbermaid tub, whatever. This is the mudroom. You could also go on Craigslist and pick up a cheap $20 dishwasher. There's not hot water to it. It just runs water. So totally easy cheesy. That's really it in a nutshell. It's not rocket surgery. It's just a step in the process. It's good to clean this glass a day before you do your glazing session. Just to let it dry out thoroughly. It's not fun to glaze with a wet piece of glass. I don't recommend it. And of course you can always order, if there's a lot of broken or inconsistent pieces, you can order new glass, cut salvage, whatever. Cool, thanks for watching. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Whatever people want to see for another topic, I think I'm just going to kind of go that route. Not what I think is relevant, but what other people think is relevant. So, shoot me a question. Whatever. Wonderful mudroom. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time.